All right, so you have a Shopify store and you realize that the number one thing is basically getting more customers from AI assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, but you don't know where to start or you just want the easiest path. And I'm going to show it to you. So basically for AI SEO, there's really two things you need to be concerned about. Number one is kind of the white hat methods, which is traditional SEO, so blog posts, things like that, and basically ranking for keywords. And this takes quite a long time, but it does work over a long enough period of time. It's very intensive, and a lot of other channels already talk about that, so I'm not really going to get into it. But the second is kind of using more black hat methods. And this is basically taking all these different AI assistants, like let's say this is ChatGPT, let's say this one is Gemini, let's say this one is Grok. And what you're going to do is you're going to ping them constantly about your business. So multiple accounts will ping Grok, they will ping Gemini, many will ping ChatGPT, and they're going to do this over time. So they're going to do this every few days, every week. They're going to ping about your business. And what that really means is it's just taking context from your Shopify store and talking to the AI assistant about it. So, for example, let's say that you sell snowboards. Every single 2 days or so, multiple ChatGPT accounts are going to ask ChatGPT about your business. And what that does is it forces the huge kind of model to keep those results top of mind and build an index of your business. That's kind of the first way. Another thing that you can do that many people don't really know much about is index now. Every single time there's a change or anything that happens in your store, if you tell index now, it will index it for Bing Webmaster, which all of the AI assistants use, and will ultimately make sure that your store is easily accessible by those AI assistants. These two ways are less well known than these ways, but they are both important. But all of this sounds like a lot of work, and I would agree with you. But if you have a Shopify store, there's a way to just make it work seamlessly for you and to do all of this on autopilot. Basically, what you're going to do, you're going to go to your store, you're going to go to applications, go to the Shopify App Store here, and you're going to search for something called LinkGPT. So I just found it. It's the first result here. And what you're going to do is you're just going to install this. All right, so we're just going to give it all the access that it needs. And there you go. It's just going to load up here. You're going to need to accept the redirect here so that it can authenticate you and put you into the system. Okay, so once you're in, the first thing it's going to do is just audit your site visibility. So you're going to check all the different robots.txt to ensure that every single AI assistant can easily access your site. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to generate some AI context. You can just click auto generate here and review the results. So you can see here, it looks throughout my entire store and generates some AI context, which is going to use also to talk to the AI models. We're going to generate that. Step 3, and I recommend just going for every single AI model here, but you can select which AI model you want to automate the LLM outreach for. In this case, I'm just going to pick every single one of them. But if for some reason you don't want Grok or something like that, you can unclick it. I'm just going to select all. Confirm that. I'll just go ahead for the monthly plan here. It comes with a 3-day free trial, so it's really nothing for all the value that you get. And now you're in. And that's basically it. Now the system is going to take care of basically everything for you. You can see here the AI visibility score, but that's going to go up as time goes on and more LLMs are pinged about your business. You're going to be able to track that all here in the different graphs. All of this is going to be automated, done by valid accounts to make sure that your store ranks higher. On top of that, you also have Index Now real-time indexing. So anytime there's any kind of a change in your store, that will get submitted to Index Now, along with the initial submission, which includes all of your info. And that's basically it. This is an example of kind of what a store could look like. This is my AI visibility score for Neutrino, one of my Shopify stores. So yeah, it's called LinkGPT.app. If you're interested to try it, it's in the Shopify App Store now. I'm the creator. If you ever want to DM me, ask any questions, let me know. I'm going to continue to build out the app, and I'd love you to try it and see what kind of benefits it can bring to your store. So yeah, that's everything.